What's good with y'all? It's C-Mac and I am back for another video. Today we are going to be doing a custom Air Force One, be a custom Grinch custom. And I was thinking, you know, why not just make it like an ornament on the tree? Duh. That's what we're going to do. We're going to be turning this shoe into a custom Grinch shoe and then probably putting it onto my tree. So let's get it, let's go. Usually I'll say for any custom, we need to remove the laces, but the laces are already removed somehow, some way. And now I'm just gonna prep the shoe with some acetone. All right, now that we got the acetoning all done, all we are going to do is go in to tape this, the bottom parts here, but I am gonna not tape off the sole. So just, if you guys can see like these lines right here, I am gonna tape kind of those parts off just so I can keep the bottoms black. Also going to kind of tape off the sock liner here because I want to leave that black as well. All right, so I got the sock liner all taped off and I got the bottoms taped off. Now I'm gonna go ahead and feed my airbrush. So basically I'm gonna mix, I think I'm gonna do a base red. So I want the whole shoe red. We're gonna put the Grinch here on the side and then we're also going to, you know, kind of splatter some paint on here as well. One thing I do wanna do is actually take off this Nike sign first before I even start painting. So I'm just gonna take my X-Acto knife and carefully cut the stitches that's behind or on this Nike sign here. So now we're just going to take some tweezers or nail clippers and start removing these threads. Now that we got that all cut off, we are going to run some acetone underneath the Nike sign as well. Now that we got that done, we're gonna go ahead and go over to our airbrush and start feeding our airbrush. Like I said, I did want to do the entire shoe red, so I am gonna go in with my red, some Too Thin, and I'm also going to add some Duller into it. I really like the matte finish. I'm gonna add all of that into the airbrush, mix it all together, and then we'll start airbrushing the shoe. I've ruined so many clothes not wearing this apron. So we got our paints all mixed and now we are ready to airbrush. All right, yeah, I just filmed a whole clip of me airbrushing this first part of the shoe. Looked up at the camera, not recording. So I don't know what's been going on with me, but like I was saying that you want to apply thin, light layers. You don't want to go in with the color right away because it's going to create a thick layer of paint and it's just going to crack all off and you're going to be able to see the black shoe. So this is a black shoe, so it is going to take a lot more layers of paint than normal or usual. So that is totally fine. You just want to make sure that you are going in with thin, light layers each and every time you airbrush. Then you will use your heat gun to dry that paint, and then you'll keep applying those layers until you find that or get that color that you want. So something like this for that first layer or first paint. Now I did just airbrush or heat gun it, and then I'm going to go in with my second layer of paint, and I'm going to keep doing that. All right, yeah, so I went ahead and printed off my Grinch image on some heat transfer paper. Now I'm just going to cut. Also did get a stencil cut out using my Cricut. So we are going to apply both of these onto the shoe. Got the picture already on and the stencil applied. I do have to tape it around. There's that. Now I am going to splatter some paint across the top here, and then we're going to lace them up, and that's the end of the shoe. So we could leave it like this, but I want to spice it up a little bit more. I'm going to get a container or a box that I can throw paint in like this. I'm going to place my shoe in here, and then I'm going to get a paintbrush and splatter the paint onto the front piece here. And yeah, just like that, we got to the final product. Custom Grinch Air Force One. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think down below. What would you guys do instead? What would you guys, let it focus. What would you guys do differently? What would you add, change? Let me know down in the comment sections below. As always, make sure to smash that like button, comment down below, share with your friends and your family, stay positive, and you know, I'll be back for more videos. Bye.
Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gon' step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept.